Okay, we're back in this weird game. Oh, last time I played on the stream and the screen was broken. I finally fixed it. And last time we had to get these letters, so now we just have to collect them and find them and stuff.
Guys, welcome. Where are we starting? We're restarting now? Who are you?
Jesus.
Oh, jeez.
Now I just don't. Ah! Jesus. So last time I figured out that you can mess with the clock, and last time there was this box up there that had the onion symbol. I think you can see it from here. But there's also a fish box. Look, it should be like right up there. Yeah, it's right there. You can faintly see it through the tree. So now that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put out an onion and then go up there. Oh, there's a mushroom one as well. Yes, more ammo. I'm gonna go put the mushroom now. And then I'm gonna put it back on the fish after the mushroom because there's more of the fish. Fish. Does he not know about G? Oh. Oh, he. Okay. Now I'm gonna go put it back on the fish. Hmm. A letter. Let's go.
I like to start with pipe cleaners to give myself something to make shapes out
There's
of.
that lever over there.
Triangles and squares and circles and patch them all together. Then the fun part starts. Take your closest friend and separate all of their parts into little piles based on color. This will be what you make your crafts out of. I like to use Norman because he has all sorts of
What
colors and ideas.
is that? Glasses. And plastic eyeballs on the back. Okay. Of course, there's a pepperoni one. And down here. Wait, was there more over there? Because there was a drum set letter. Okay. How much? Or 3. I'm gonna open the pepperoni one now. Hearing them all talk is so annoying. No, you're not. Leave me alone.
Think about it. The letters are going.
Stop and think about it. Letters are going. Ah!
I learned my numbers when I was a kid. Welcome, welcome, welcome to our A B C D
Move.
E F G.
Jesus Christ.
I'm here to educate the children. They will clamor until your ears. I want to make new friends. New friends sound very.
Oh my god, he's still chasing me.
I want to make new friends.
Of course, it was all just. Thank you.
If you can draw, you can do all sorts of things. Grab your pet. I'm here to pet.
Why is he in there now? I need to get up. And I can't go back. My friend, litter. How many times have I shot this guy? Open the door, open the door. Wait, what? Eat it. What? Wait, I gave the bird the glasses. So now he can see. Okay.
Favorite meal of the day. I always eat the food that most represents how I'm feeling at lunch. What sort of things do I eat?
What sort of things do I? I'm glad you asked. Yep, this is where I was. I was looking out the window and I saw all that. And now I can get the square key, because earlier it said on the wall the square key's there. I need to see what that bird is. Who's getting fucked? Oh, that's the bird owns. I need to edit that out. No! Oh no, I'm being chased by all of them. I'm being chased by all of them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7.
Please, please, please leave me alone. I don't like company. I don't like company. I don't like company. What the? This game's glitchy. There's the key. And ammo. So now I can open the door up there and... What else? Oh, the cash register. Oh. That's a... Who keeps a letter in the cash register? Oh. Is it gonna spell neighbor? And okay. Spider TV. Tipped another letter? Another letter? I eat the channels you never watch. I wanna... Hey kids, I live in your TV set. I eat all the channels you don't watch. Family Guy. Oh my god. This is what I'm gonna have to do. Yep, I can't. I'm gonna die. Move. Wait, no, the key room's over there. Okay, whatever. I could just spawn over here and then they can't.
I learned my numbers when I was a kid.
I could see that.
Let me show you how I learned. Welcome. La, 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 la.
You think they actually teach these puppets like letters and numbers and stuff? Do they know geometry? Oh no. They gave me ammo for a reason. The last letter's in there. By his crotch, of course. Okay, here we go. He's twitching. He's twitching. I'm not doing this. You know what? You could keep the letter. Oh, what's up? That's what you get. I don't need this. I don't need this. Okay. Yeah, the game's just like Resident Evil. Like when you use the item, and it gives you a check mark, and then you could discard them. Friendly, friendly, friendly. How did I know he was gonna say that? Die, die. You're the worst one here, you taxi driver. Why are you so strong? Jesus. Okay. Boom. A letter. Oh, and then the mailbox, and then you put the letter in the mailbox. So then the mailbox opens to give you a crank.
Maybe this unlocks a different part of the studio.
Do I have to put it in here and then the whole place blows up and then I beat the game? I want that to be the ending. I blow the place up. It's nighttime now? Does it open this? Oh, I put the part. Okay, I need one of those parts and then I can open whatever this is. There's like it's a bird thing over there. I never saw what I had to do with that bird. Maybe I'll go check it out later. Was that there when I got here? It's time to fix. This way, this way. Ricky with friends. Oh. Secret entrance. Shh. And then the crank. Yep, okay. This better not be like a trap. It's a trap. Now I'm in the sewers. How much you wanna bet?
Well, okay.
Every Resident Evil type of game has a sewers. Yep.
Oh dear, oh my. You seem to be be stranded in the basement.
How do I get out of here?
The sewers.
Oh, haven't a clue. Never come down here myself. Why? What's got your overalls in a knot?
I'm trying to get to the roof.
The roof? What's so interesting about the roof?
Can you cough up something like ammo?
More intriguingly musty. Unrelated. How do you feel about blood poisoning trauma?
What is it this time?
Well, Ray, of course. He's the best sort of monster janitor thing. But he's a little obsessed with, organic maintenance. Tends to pop out of pipes and clobber people with his wrench.
Great. Are all of you
Clobber.
crazy?
Well, Ray has always
It's
been a little
clobbering
even before
time.
the shutdown. That's why they moved him down. Only way out is by elevator. and
I
he
just
can't
thought of
get
that. I
out
watched the
until
movie
Monday.
yesterday.
Elevator. Got it.
Oh, silly me. I forgot about the elevators. Really, Gordon, I wouldn't bother. The cables are probably rusted. I don't think they even run anymore.
I'll take my chances.
Wow, you're so courageous and stuff. Look, I gotta go wash my hair.
You're a sock puppet.
Stupid puppets.
Yeah, I saw that when I walked up here. Okay. Whoever Ray is, I hope he's not aggressive. Get away. Get away. Oh god. Go away. Go away. Go away. Stage. Why are you like doing a push-up? 1, 2. That's how they talk. They talk like Elmo. Those two. Those two talk like Elmo. The other ones have like a deep voice.
Hey! Who's there?
And I suppose that's Ray. What is he? Can I shoot him? Bro, what? God, he's like
Jeez, that gave me a scare.
Cookie Monster. Okay. Oh, can I have these tools? Can I have a saw so I can saw their arms off? What is this? A pump? That's a wrench, a brush, whatever that thing is. Screwdriver to stab their eyes out. A hammer. Wait, what was? Shells. I'm gonna get a shotgun. Can't wait. Wait, no.
Looks like part of it's missing.
Okay. So, find part of something. Find shotgun. Shoot everyone. Oh God! Look, it's Ray. I don't want him to clobber me with his wrench, so do I do this? I guess this is clobbering time. What's this? To all personnel, due to construction of the new stages, this blast door has been locked using a punch card combination. Please insert the appropriate punch cards into the 3 terminals to open the door. In the event that you have lost your punch cards, this machine can be used to print replacements. Okay. So find the part of the socket and then put it in and make the punch cards for the door so I can open the door and then see where it leads me. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can change weapons with X. Okay. Map and the punch cards, I think. Because there was a square and triangle button and circle tools. Give me the ammo if I need it. Save. No. Yeah, that's the door. Yeah, look. I knew there was buttons. I just need
Looks like it needs power.
from the parts. And you combine the part with the part in the room over there where he was. No, you're not.
I learned my numbers when I was a kid. Here, let me show you how I learned.
Hold your hand. Oh, God. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Okay. Ammo. Tape. Health. Jesus Christ. Why this puppet? Maybe because it's too annoying. The parts. Now I just have to go back to that room. Okay. Ah! Jesus. I'm gonna go through that. Shotgun.
Let's get writing.
I need ammo for the shotgun. Hey, you. She's stuck in the door. We should swap our arms, and then we swap our legs. If you come alive right now, I will shoot you with a shotgun. I'm gonna shoot Ray with a shotgun.
You can draw. You can do all sorts of things. Grab your pencil and let's go on an adventure. Just take your hand, three lines
I'll be right back.
together. Okay, now draw a line right.
I'm gonna put the part in the thing, and then we go back to the room and do the punch cards. Well, no, we fix it.
Oh, shoot.
Here, let me show you how I learned. Hold your hands up in the air. Now bring them down in front of your face. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Get your.
To
What the hell?
We're restarting now.
Oh no. Why? 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 I needed a thumbnail. I don't know what I just. sometimes we still have heart. Now you can put it there. Nice. No. No, I guess you. Should work. Nope. I feel like it'd work on this one because since it has an X, it would be this one. Yep. Should be this. I went on 3, so. Yes. So this one should be. Nope. What? Yes. What? Oh, come on. You were 1 number off. Are you serious? Bruh. It has to do something with. Swear to God, if it's just triangles.
Wow. Wonder how deep this goes.
So they just have caves under a children's show filming place? Uh-oh. Shh. I said I was gonna shoot him with the shotgun. Come on. I got one shot left. It was worth it. What the? Why? Oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm gonna end it here. Okay. Bye. Go subscribe to Koi on YouTube. Sadfish.